everyone. This sound is a stretchy sound and it's the sound O. 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 Well done. And this is how we write the O sound. Okay, and we need to put our line underneath so that we know they're special friends. O. Now, here is the O sound. Can you see? And this is the picture and the phrase that's going to help us to remember. And we say, O, shut the door. Now, we have two aliens here in a spaceship and they've landed somewhere. Maybe they've landed on a new planet. And I think this alien is very keen to go and explore and have a look around. So he's opened the door and he's stepped outside. But I think this alien is a little bit unsure of this new planet. And maybe he's a little bit worried and he doesn't want the door open in case something comes in. So he's saying, shut the door. To this alien, can you see him? He's saying, shut the door. I want to stay safe inside here. So our rhyme is O, shut the door. Okay? So we'll stick that there so we can see it. And now we need to see if we can find the O sound on our chart. So we don't have many left. Which one do we think it is? I think I'm going to go for this one. Do you agree? Or do you think this one? Shall we go for this one? Does that look the same? Or shut the door. Yes, it looks just the same as this. Excellent. So let's point it again. Can you see it? Oh, well done. Shall we have a little look, see if we can remember all of the other ones? So we've got A, E, I, O, U, and O. Excellent. Well done. Let's have a little look at some green words and see if we can spot the O sound. So this has three sounds. Sh, O, t. Short. Well done. This one also has three sounds. S, O, t. Sort. Wonder what you might sort. Sort your toys out. Three sounds in this word. Horse. Horse. Have we got one more? Yes. Three sounds again. Fork. Fork. Well done, everybody. Great reading. Now then, we're going to do some spelling with our thread fingers before we write. So, the first word we're going to do has three sounds. So we need three thread fingers. And it's the sound, it's the word worn. Worn. So it has our O sound in, but we need to find out where it goes. So the word is worn. W-O-N. Worn. So the O sound came in the middle. The next word also has three sounds and it's the word bone. Bone. So which sound can you hear first? B. That's right. And where does the O sound come? In the middle. Yeah, let's do it then. B-O-N. Bone. Well done. The next word has four sounds. So we need another thread finger to spell. So listen carefully, because when we get up to four sounds, they start getting a little bit trickier to hear them and remember them. So this word is sport. sport. So I can hear the s first, and I can definitely hear there's a t at the end. Sport. Which ones come in the middle? Sp. Oh, is it p next? Sport. Sport. Excellent. Okay, keep that in your head for when we write. And the next one has 4 sounds. And this is the word snort. Oh, who do we know who snorts? I think pigs might snort. So, snort. So I can definitely hear this at the beginning. I can definitely hear this t sound at the end of snort. But again, these sounds here. Let's see it. Snort. Or I can hear it n, s, n, ort. Snort. So we mustn't forget that n when we come to write. Okay, get your pens ready. And let's see if we can write these words. Remember to use your fingers if you need to. Or if you want to take a little bit longer, you can pause the video. Okay, but the first word we had was worn. Worn. 3 sounds. See if you can write that and see if it's the same as mine. W, on, w, on, worn. Yeah, great. The next one was born. Born. So I know it starts with a b sound. I have to go down the boot and round the toe. You ready? B, on, b, on. Don't forget to put your dots and dashes, your sound buttons, and then you can help check the sounds. The next one, remember, had 4, and it was sport. Sport. So we've got to make sure we get all of those sounds in the right order. So let's sound it out. S, p, o, t, sport. Let's check it. S, p, o, t. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Sport. And then the last one was snort. So let's see if we can write that. Remember, take your time to say each sound and go back and check. S, n, o, t, snort. S, n, o, t, snort. Yeah, I think we've got those right. Have you checked them with yours? Perfect. Now then, here is the O card. O, shut the door. Remember that alien stuck inside? He doesn't want anybody else to come in. He wants to stay nice and safe. So we'll hide it. Yeah, we won't go in our pack. So when we come, give it a point now. Shout out that's there. So our first sound, remember with the eyes, makes the sound. Ooh. O. I. E. E. Well done. R. B. Our new sound. O. Shut the door. K. Z. Ch. Ng. And back to the beginning. Well done, everybody. You've worked really well. See you next time. Bye.